Welcome back to PC Zone, the place to find the best motherboard for your next PC build. Today we'll be looking at the top 3 motherboards for the Intel Core i5-12400F. We've got budget options, high-end beasts, and our top pick waiting for you. Check out bestmotherboardzone.com for more details, and don't forget, all the prices are in the description below. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get this PC building party started. Number 3, ASRock B660M Pro RS. Best budget motherboard for Intel Core i5-12400F. The ASRock B660M Pro RS is a motherboard that doesn't shy away from its budget-friendly roots, yet it manages to deliver a solid performance that's worth more than its price tag suggests. This motherboard is a no-frills practical choice for those who want to build a system around the Intel Core i5-12400F without breaking the bank. It is a stripped-down, efficient piece of hardware that doesn't waste resources on unnecessary features. Its camouflage design is more appealing in person than in photos, and while it lacks the flashy cooling systems and extensive features of pricier Z690 boards, it still offers PCIe 4.0 support for graphics and M2 storage. The motherboard uses an 8-phase power design with basic cooling, which is sufficient for low-power processors like the Core i3-12400F. However, if you're considering pairing it with a Core i9, you'll need to keep it in stock 125-watt mode to avoid overheating. The B660 Pro RS supports DDR4 memory, which is a sensible choice for a budget B660 board. However, it falls short in terms of USB support, with 3 of the 4 onboard USB headers providing only USB 3.2 Gen 1 5GB per second support, and the other limited to even slower USB 2.0. Today, a 10GB per second speed should be the minimum. Additionally, it offers dual PCIe 4.0x4, which is a plus. It also has dual display outputs, making it a good choice for users who need multiple monitors. However, it lacks Wi-Fi, which is a significant drawback in today's wireless world. In terms of performance, the B660M Pro RS delivers decent results. It's not the fastest motherboard in the market, but it's not the slowest either. It's a solid, middle-of-the-pack performer that offers good value for its price. In conclusion, the ASRock B660M Pro RS is a good choice for budget-conscious PC builders who want a reliable, efficient motherboard for their Intel Core i5-12400F processor. It's not the most feature-rich or the fastest, but it offers solid performance and good value for money. In summary, the ASRock B660M Pro RS's key advantages are the affordable price. It supports PCIe 4.0, dual PCIe 4.0x4, and dual display outputs. On the downside, it lacks Wi-Fi, limited USB support, basic cooling system, and it's not suitable for high-power CPUs like Core i9. Number 2, MSI Meg Z690 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4. Best high-end motherboard for Intel Core i5-12400F. The MSI Meg Z690 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 is a top-tier motherboard that's a perfect match for the Intel Core i5-12400F if you want to push your system to the limit without compromising on quality or performance. This motherboard stands out in the Z690 chipset market with its competitive price point, undercutting the Asus TUF board while offering similar, if not better, features. Its design is sleek and smart, arguably more appealing than the Asus TUF Z690 Plus Wi-Fi D4. It doesn't boast RGB lighting, but its black design and large heat sinks are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The board doesn't skimp on performance. Its 18-phase power delivery system ensures stability even under heavy loads, keeping temperatures below 56 degrees Celsius during stress tests. It also supports DDR4 memory overclocking up to 5,333 plus megahertz, providing ample power for high-performance gaming and multitasking. When it comes to connectivity options, it boasts 4 M2 slots, all covered with heatsinks, and 6 SATA 3 6GB per second ports for ample storage options. It also features 1 Intel 2.5GB per second LAN, Wi-Fi 6E 6 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.3 for high-speed networking. However, it's not without its shortcomings. The MSI's software is clunky compared to Asus's, with limited overclocking options and a hard-to-find fan control section. The lack of Thunderbolt 4 support also might be a deal breaker for some, but it does feature the high-end Realtek ALC 4080 audio codec, which outperforms the audio on the Asus TUF Z690 Plus Wi-Fi D4. In terms of its target audience, the MSI Meg Z690 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 is perfect for high-end gamers and builders who want a balance of performance, quality, and price. It's a solid choice for those who want to build a DDR4 Alder Lake system. However, if you're an enthusiast who loves to tinker with every aspect of your PC, or if you prefer a more polished software experience, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the MSI Meg Z690 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 is a fantastic high-end option for those building a PC around the Intel Core i5-12400F. It offers great value for money without compromising on performance. To sum up, what I like is the high-end performance at a competitive price, the sleek, smart design, the excellent connectivity options, and the superior audio quality. On the downside, clunky software, it lacks Thunderbolt 4 support, overclocking could be easier on competition, and average M2 cooling. handling. Number 1. Asus Prime B660M AD4, our top choice. The Asus Prime B660M AD4 is a real gem for those who are looking to build a powerful PC without breaking the bank. It's a perfect match for the Intel Core i5-12400F, providing a solid foundation for a budget-friendly yet high-performing gaming rig. This motherboard is a testament to Asus's commitment to quality and affordability. It may not have the flashy aesthetics of its ROG Strix B660A sibling, but it makes up with it with its robust features and excellent value for money. In comparison to the ASRock B660 Pro RS, the Prime B660M AD4 offers a more balanced blend of price and performance. The Prime B660M AD4 is not a show-off, it's a workhorse. Its VRM design is surprisingly robust for its price range, and the BIOS is intuitive and user-friendly. Overclocking your DDR4 memory to 5333 MHz is a breeze, which is a testament to its excellent performance capabilities. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The lack of wireless connectivity and a rear Type-C port might be a deal-breaker for some, but considering its price point, these are compromises that most budget-conscious buyers can live with. The dual M2 slots are a nice touch, providing ample storage options. The absence of a rear panel cover might irk some, but again, it's a minor quibble considering the price. The silver heat sinks might not be pure white, but they blend well with a white-themed build. The Asus Prime B660M AD4 is perfect for budget gamers and builders who prioritize performance over aesthetics. It's a no-nonsense motherboard that delivers where it counts. In conclusion, the Asus Prime B660M AD4 is a fantastic budget-friendly option for those building a PC around the Intel Core i5-12400F. It offers great value for money without compromising on performance. To sum up, what I like is the excellent value for money, the robust VRM design, the dual M2 slots, and the user-friendly BIOS. On the downside, there is no wireless connectivity, no rear Type-C port, and basic aesthetics. Alright guys, we've just gone through the top 3 motherboards for the Intel Core i5-12400F. Want more? Head to bestmotherboardzone.com. Links below. Smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more epic reviews and tutorials. But don't go yet. There's another video popping up right now that you can't miss. Thanks for watching. Keep building.